malinaw ho dito na yung mga properties are located in Bulacan. There are also in two properties in Tarlac. And yung pong nabenta no, ng Robinsons Corporation, tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
Meron pa po bang mga ibang properties si Mayor Alice Guo sa iba-ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas?
What we have identified and which is now undergoing civil forfeiture, Your Honor, are the properties. There are three real properties located, and this is separate from those subject of the freeze order. Three properties located in Maykawayan, and two properties in Tarlac, Your Honor, please.
Mr. Speaker, balikan ko po si Alice Guo. Meron pa po ba kayong mga properties dito po sa Metro Manila?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala ho. How about other parts of the country, Alice?
Wala po, Your Honor.
May nag-attempt ba na i-dispose o kaya i-dissipate ang mga properties na nakapangalan po sa inyo, sa korporasyon, or in any way related to you or any of the corporations na kung saan kayo po ay shareholders nung nagkaroon na po ng kontrobersiya patungkol po sa Pogo?
Wala naman po, Your Honor.
Meron ba kayong property sa Alabang?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Amlak, subject po ba yon ng freeze order?
Your Honor, based on the list that I have, which were frozen by the Court of Appeals, it appears that it is not yet included. But with that information, we will be looking into it, Your Honor.
Are you trying to sell the property in Alabang, Alice?
Your Honor, yung property sa Alabang, yan din po yung sa Las Piñas. The same lang po yun.
Can we confirm that from AMLAC?
Your Honor, we will look into that, the location of the property. May seek a clarification if it is located in Las Piñas or in Alabang as mentioned by Ms. Alice Guo, Your Honor.
Pwede niyo po ba, Alice, i-clarify kung yung property na nabanggit po ng AMLAC, which is located in Las Piñas, ay yun din po yung Alabang property na niyo pong binabanggit?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Thank you for that information. Aware mo ba kayo kung ano po yung nature ng freeze order, Alice?
Your Honor, okay lang po. Consult lang po ako sa lawyer ko. Honor, I think lahat po nung na-mention niyo po sa akin na properties po kanina, those are filed na rin po by the AMLAC po. So I have cases po na rin sa AMLAC.
Yes, in fact, that is the subject of the freeze order issued by the Court of Appeals. Anyway, Mr. Chair, konting katanungan na lamang po, because meron pong mga reports na during the time that this controversy ay nung lumabas po ito, there were attempts to dispose the properties of Alice Guo or any property that is in any because meron pong mga reports na during the time that this controversy ay nung lumabas po ito, there were attempts to dispose the properties of Alice Guo or any property that is in any way related to you or to your corporation that you being a stockholder or a shareholder, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chair. And that is why ito pong amount na nabanggit po ng ating AMLAC ay maliit pa po ito doon sa total assets na meron po at pwedeng ma-recover at pwede pong maging subject ng freeze order, Mr. Chair. And of course, may mga civil forfeiture proceedings na rin po na ipa-file ang AMLAC at isa po itong magiging warning na hahabulin po kayo ng batas if you try to dissipate or dispose these properties that are related to any unlawful activities. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair. I had my interpretation po.
Thank you, Congressman Bongalon.
Yan ang po nila. Dito naman yung kanilang court. Kaya ng court.
May tanong lang ako kay Alice, no? Before the next interpellator. Alice, yung mga buildings sa... ilang buildings meron dun sa Banban?
Your Honor, tanda ko lang po more than 5.
5 buildings lang in the whole 8-hectare property?
Yung building po more than 5 po.
More-
More than 6, hindi po ako masyado sure po talaga.
Dun sa area, sa buong... Kasi nagpunta kami dun eh.
Opo, yung building po talaga ha.
Oh, yung building.
Building of, siguro, 5 po siguro.
Meron kasi dun na parang hindi siya... I think to me, it's called a building, although it's not more than 1 floor.
Ay, yung mga residential po.
Lahat, lahat ng ng structure doon, ilan?
More than 20, 30. Hindi po ako sure po sa exact number.
Si Cassie naman. Cassie sa Lucky South 99, sa Porac, ilan yung building doon sa property na yun?
Kung hindi, 40.
40. Kaso mas malaki yung, ilang hectares yung sa Porac?
3.
Mas malaki yung property doon, yung lupa doon kaysa sa Banban.
I think 7 to 8 hectares po.
Palos parehas lang. Pero mas maraming building sa Porac.
Second floor lang po kasi yung
Pero yung building sa inyo, yung nakita namin, building talaga. Yung
Second
3 floors, 4 floors, di ba? 2 floors.
2 floors po.
So marami, 40 plus buildings yun. Tama?
Opo.
So Alice, dun ba sa inyo kasi wala masyadong 2 floors dun eh. Halos lahat parang structure niya, parang barracks, di ba?
Your Honor, yung 4 Pogo po doon sa area po is isang building lang po.
Okay. Pwede ba malaman sinong contractor nun?
Your Honor, hindi po ako kausap ng contractor, pero ang alam ko pong contractor po nung Bamban po is Howley.
Howdy. Ano yan? Local contractor.
Hindi na po ako sure po. Alam ko lang po yung pangalan nila, pero hindi ko po sila
The name
nakausap.
of the construction is Howdy Construction.
Opo.
Okay. Nung bang ginagawa yun, sisilip